In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with GitHub. By the end, you'll have a clean connection between your Notion workspace and your GitHub projects, so you can reference repos, issues, and pull requests right from Notion and keep your work more organized. Start in Notion. Look to the top left corner of the app where your profile or workspace name appears. Click that to open the account menu. This is the quickest doorway to all the controls you'll need for managing your workspace and any third-party connections. From that menu, open Settings. This is where Notion centralizes preferences, members, billing, and most importantly for us, integrations. If you work across multiple workspaces, double-check that you're adjusting settings for the correct one before you continue. Inside Settings, navigate to the Connections section. Connections is Notion's hub for integrating external tools, and it gives you a consolidated view of what's connected and what you can add. It's also where you can later disconnect or adjust access if your needs change. In the Connections area, find the Notion MCP tile and click Explore. Think of this as a catalog that highlights available connectors and related tooling. Exploring from here ensures that what you install is compatible with Notion's connection framework and follows the recommended path. Within the catalog, locate GitHub and click Connect. You may see a prompt to review permissions. Choose the organization and repositories you want Notion to access, and keep scopes as limited as possible for your workflow. If you don't have the right permissions on a GitHub organization, you might need an admin to approve the connection. Once confirmed, Notion and GitHub will establish a secure link tied to your workspace. Next, click Install MCP Server. This step provisions the server component that powers the connection, enabling Notion to interact reliably with GitHub's data. You'll be guided through the standard installation flow associated with the server package. The goal here is simple. Make sure the connector has the backend it needs, so Notion can fetch and reference GitHub content without extra manual steps later. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If the GitHub connection doesn't appear right away in Connections, refresh Notion or reopen the settings window. Keep an eye on which repositories you've granted access to and adjust those from the Connections page if your project list changes. And remember, you can disconnect the integration at any time from the same place you connected it. That's it. You've connected Notion with GitHub, explored the integration from the Notion MCP area, clicked Connect on GitHub, and completed the Install MCP server step so everything runs smoothly.